Set within the rolling chalk hills of the Aylesbury Vale is Flint House, which won House of the Year in 2015, frankly because of its marvellous geological construction. The judges thought it a shining example of material and architectural design at its best. It is a building inspired directly by the local geology, in particular a great seam of flint that runs beneath the site. Flint House sits on the Wadston Manor estate and was commissioned by Lord Rothschild.
Credit for the beautiful place it is today goes to the architect, Charlotte King-Catling. It was her vision to make this building look like a rock coming out of the landscape.
It's currently inhabited by the art historian Tom Campbell, who's here on a short-term fellowship scheme.
When I first told a friend that I was coming to the Flint House, they said, "Ooh, that's a really uncomfortable building. There are all these sharp edges. You know, you'll have to wear padding." And, you know, when you arrive, it is a very austere, geometric building.
The rooms inside are in fact on a very human scale, and they're modest. Low ceilings on the ground floor draw the eye out towards the landscape views. There are almost no doors either, which makes exploring the house an experience in itself.
It's not a series of rooms, it's a series of interlocking spaces that draw the eye through and draw you through physically.
But perhaps the greatest quality of Flint House is how it's been designed to fit into where it is.
The idea of it looking like a rock by this water is what makes it a unique property. And I think that's why it was a worthy winner.
Will it be the big, boxy and beautiful Black House? The enigmatic concrete Vex inspired by music? The windswept wonder that is Lochside? Or the sharp sculptural Maison Wedge? Takero Shimazaki, head of the judges, reveals the first building that's made it onto the shortlist for the 2018 RIBA House of the Year. So what house have you shortlisted from this category?
Vex.
Vex.
Vex. It's fun, isn't it? It's really kind of quite rare these days to see something like this. The ambition of the project and the kind of the concrete that's going around, and it's a piece of sculpture in the city. It's really refreshing to see a proper bit of concrete in London.
And what's the second house that you shortlisted?
This is Lochside House. It's obviously a gorgeous, gorgeous setting, but I think we were all touched by the architectural kind of humbleness of it. You know, it's not kind of shouting, "Look at me, look at me." It just sort of effortlessly just sits there. The materials, like the stone, they're large, they come from the area, so it's kind of very much a local product.
So the rugged Lochside and wonderful winding concrete Vex house go through to the shortlist.